you wanna, tell me you don't. Tell me you wanna, tell me you don't. Tell me you wanna, tell me you don't. Tell me you wanna, tell me you wanna, tell me you. I stumbled too close, guess I must have caught a buzz. Now I'm drunk, what the fuck, and I might just call you up. This road is not enough, she called me out but I caught her bluff. Take a trip with me with a heart of love. We don't wanna end up apart from us, so separate. This distance got me desperate. You told me you wanna, told me you don't, but I can't forget the X in it. Your sexiness got me pressing it, and I'm questioning all the rest of it. Then I section it, when I break it all down got me restless. So I'm wrestling with your sketchiness like don't feel it when they spoke like venom. So I wrote and I wrote and I wrote, mic spitting, gotta hold on, living, doing shows when I'm feeling, gonna give it all back, all the soul I've been getting, yes sir. Better jump back like a raccoon, back door open, hit him with the broom, never come back hoping. But I'm coming soon cause I move like a tune in a jukebox. Backwards you would think I'm from the boondocks. Zach's world thinking I could grab moon rocks. Hat world, grab a fitted plus some new socks. Wait a minute, who rocks? Sunny on the rooftop, yeah.